Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is basically, in case you see I'm not moving my head, it's just because my camera is on autofocus and I'm tired of it focusing on the wrong thing, so I'm just keeping my head like this today. Okay, so we're looking at some phrases and some words that you can use in the Igbo language to show love. So if you have that special someone in your life, these are some phrases you can use in the Igbo language. Okay, so let's get into it. The first one is I love you. So I have a list here. I love you. Obviously, this is very common. So I love you in Igbo is ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. So you can tell your loved one ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Okay? Then moving on to the second one, we have do you love me? This is a question most people want to know the answer to, right? So, do you love me? How do we say that? Ị hụrụ m n'anya. Ị hụrụ m n'anya. Ị hụrụ m n'anya. So, ị hụrụ m n'anya, the person can say, ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Alright. Then the next one we have, will you be mine? Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Ị ga-abụ nke m? Ị ga-abụ nke m? Okay? Ị ga-abụ nke m. So by now, maybe you already know that I means you. Okay? Ị, or mo means me. Then we have my husband. Okay? My husband. Dim. Dim. So easy. D is husband. Is mine or me or whatever. So dim. Then the next one is my wife. Nwunye. Nwunye. Okay. Nwunye. Wife. Me. My wife. Then we have my sweet. Similar to my sweetheart, but my sweet. So you can say otom. Okay. Otom. Some dialects say osom. However, I'm just going with the central Igbo, the central one. So otom. Then we have the one I love. The one I love. Okay. Onye m hụrụ n'anya. Onye m hụrụ n'anya. Onye m hụrụ n'anya. So if you do the transliteration, it just means the person I see with my eye. That's weird. And then we have my heart. My heart. Obim. Obim. My heart. Some people use some of these as their pet names in Igbo language. Obim, Osom, or Otom. Okay? Dim, Nwunye. So these are some words or phrases that can be used to show love in the Igbo language. If you want to know more, leave some comments or send a DM, a message, an email, whatever, and I can make more videos on these. However, these are the ones I've chosen just for this video. I hope to see you next time. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. And if you practice, you can send a video or just leave a comment so I can see how you're practicing, how you're getting along with your learning. Alright, see you. Bye.